The grind is real. Streaming a few days a week, maybe every day of the week. Only seeing minimal growth. Every once in a while, you get a couple friends that drop by. Those streams are super rewarding, energizing. But most days, your name is still Andy. Streams end with no reward or feeling of accomplishment, time feeling like it was wasted. You didn't see your grandma, you didn't feed your dog or clean the last 3 weeks worth of McDonald's cups from your desk. You've had enough. You don't want to be an Andy anymore. You're tired of your friends dropping by your bachelor pad or empty art studio, asking if you want to hang out, and telling them no because you have to watch paint dry. Search YouTube, scroll TikTok. Around and around, the voices echo in your head. Just stick with it. Just keep streaming. Keep grinding, try new games, try to collab, join the #SmallStreamer communities, and forever build your identity on the disadvantage of being a smaller creator never destined to grow beyond the 20 botted tabs each of you pull up for each other's streams. Sure, there was that one dummy on YouTube who told you that the fastest way to grow on Twitch is actually to make content on YouTube, TikTok, or other platforms and point back to your stream. He even said multi-streaming would help you grow 100% faster or more. But what did he know? He doesn't stream that often. He doesn't have 1 million followers. Everyone else manages to fit their videos into 60 seconds with their face on the top half of the screen and Fortnite or Family Guy clip on the bottom half of the screen, just to tell you to keep trying and drop your channel in the comments for the chance of getting a big raid. The life of a #small streamer is not an easy one, but you're up for the challenge. You saw Tim the Tat Man or Mizkif rise to fame 7 years ago, and you're convinced you'll be the next one. You just have to stream better tomorrow. You just have to find a smarter game choice. You just have to keep grinding. Thing is, you never imagined the streamer life being so monotonous and boring. Your favorite top 1% streamers seem to live an exciting life full of parties and extravagance. Doesn't matter. The problem was your expectations, not how you're doing it. It doesn't matter that you're doing the same thing every day for months on end. No, that's not the problem. The real problem is the pages upon pages of your fellow Andys under every Twitch category. And especially those streamers abusing the platform with their bathtubs. Yes, those streamers are directly taking away viewers from your 5-hour Elden Ring streams. Twitch is too crowded. Streaming is too saturated these days. Perhaps you just won't make it. 3 more months go by about the same. 0 viewers turn into 1 viewer, which turns into 5 viewers. There was that one day you got 12 viewers thanks to a completely random raid. Ooh boy, did that light a fire under your ass. You took that as an inspiration to add another day to your stream schedule and grind even harder. Then 12 viewers turned into 7 viewers, and eventually back down to 1. Right as you were considering giving up, one of your close friends in your small streamer group made it big. She got rated big time and had a few videos go viral and started getting serious traction. Affiliate was in the bag and partner program was looking like a reality. But something changed, something big. Not within you, of course. Your eyes are back on the prize. But that group, they started to kick that friend out. They didn't pull up her stream anymore to give her free views and started saying that she was not being fair to them. She wasn't rating them enough, shouting them out enough. I mean, after all, 5 people in that group dedicated an entire browser tab to her stream. Plus, she clearly cheated. She made TikToks and started a YouTube podcast and collaborated with a few creators with 50 CCVs. That traitor. Doesn't she know she was supposed to keep it in the group? Wake up. It's finally time to realize what the difference between that friend and you really is. She took streaming seriously. That's all. You can do that too. Now, not everyone needs to take streaming seriously. Some people truly just want to hang out with friends and play games, with streaming being a shared space to facilitate that experience. They don't want to be a streamer. That's okay. But some people really do want to be a streamer and have convinced themselves that they just want to hang out with friends. The self-awareness to know what it is that you want to get out of the whole live streaming internet video thing is crucially important. To have a clear goal is not to wish you were in the position of someone who already made it, but to vividly imagine what you would want to see yourself doing day in and day out for the next few months, years, and so on. If you're not happy streaming and making videos and working that job, living that life, you will never make it to where those streamers are at. And if you somehow stumble your way there, you certainly won't be happy. Understanding that distinction, deciding where you stand on that line, is paramount. Think about it. Twitch isn't too crowded. Streaming isn't too saturated. Sure, there's 972 million Twitch accounts. That giant ocean of accounts can be super intimidating. Who are you in a room with 972 million other people? But as Commander Root's new data shows, only a teeny tiny, super tiny fraction of those accounts are your actual competition. The vast majority of those accounts aren't taking it seriously, or just streaming for fun and friends, or just haven't gotten any traction. Of the 2 to 3 million viewers on the site at any given moment, most of them are only watching a few thousand partnered and affiliate channels. Those are your competition. MJ didn't consider your neighborhood kids playing 21 at the local park to be his competition. Neither should you. Gordon Ramsay isn't judging your family's potluck on Kitchen Nightmares. Not unless your family is like Carmi's. Instead of competing with a giant sea of streamers, all you have to worry about is this tiny pond's worth. Doesn't that feel more feasible? The promiscuous streamers aren't stealing from you. The army of Andys can't hold you back if you don't let them. Only the system can get you down. To the system, you're replaceable. You saw how many Andys there are out there. But you have the power and the skills to stand apart from them and claim your own name. Being a streamer isn't just choosing to jump into the shoes of your favorite full-time streamer and partying every day. Being a streamer is waking up every day looking forward to the streams, the videos, the chat, and the community. It's knowing that more time is always spent on the journey, not the destination. If that's what you want, you can do this. You know how. There are resources and guides all over the internet, but especially on this little YouTube channel that I found. Guides which will make things easier. If you abandon the grind, break free from your identity as a small streamer, and accept the challenge that lay before you, you'll find the success you seek. No more scrolling, no more obsessing over every hashtag small streamer tip. Put in the work, build outside of stream time, invite your friends. The grind is a lie. Streams can feel rewarding again. Be kind, rewind.